Hey guys, today I would like to show you how I play the French defense, how I won in 30 moves. I'm playing on a over-the-board tournament, Coventry International, so let me just show you. It's round 8. I'm not doing the best, I only have 3.5 points out of 5. So I'm going for the knight f6, knight d7, c5, fighting for the center here, bishop e7, and I decide to play queen to b6 to put pressure on d4, so to force him to take. And then I was thinking knight to c5, which is not the perfect move. By the way, guys, I've played the French defense only 4 times, and I've never lost. I think I have only wins in French defense. Yeah. But it's only because I've played 4 games. And here I saw knight to b4. But I saw then queen to b3, he's gonna defend. And then I was thinking, oh, I'm gonna take. And yes, I got the bishop, but come on. I was thinking it's gonna be just equal, but no, I should have taken, I should have played knight to d4. Okay, I played knight to d4. I just decided to go greedy. Played queen to d8. I'm a pawn up, but you know what? Look at this bishop. This is super weak. Bang, 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 bang. It's not gonna be so easy here. Oh, and I played g6, but h6 was actually better. But I was thinking after h6, he's just gonna harass me with queen to d2, and then he'll want to sacrifice the bishop. Anyway, I decide to take bishop e7, f5. Why? Because I want to allow my rook to defend the h7 pawn and allow my queen to go to e7. He decides to take, and I don't take because I was thinking that after here, bishop 10, queen e6, knight f7, knight to g5, knight to e5, knight f7. Oh, okay. Because I thought I'm gonna have to take the queen. Oh. Doesn't matter, still I'm winning, right? Okay, well, so I'm just it's 2 pieces for a queen, for a rook, and a pawn, and it says minus 3.2. How is it even possible? This is difficult because I was thinking it's a draw. Yes, I have a pair of bishops, but my king is weak. I don't know, there's so little pawns, I thought it's gonna be a draw, but no. Oh, I will need to analyze this. Anyway, I decided to play queen to e7, he was actually better here. Rook to b4, I did not I just instantly assumed he's gonna play a to b. I just forgot he can take with the rook, and I was like scared because I knew it's better after I played ab. Yeah, I mean, he's got the advantage here. I was thinking maybe king h8, but come on, it's not looking the best for me, especially because of these pieces. I was super lucky. Decided to play rook to a3. Why? Because I wanted to play e5. So let's say king to g1. I wanted to play e5 and then not allow the queen to go on b3. But then after rook h1, I decided to screw that plan and maneuver my rook like this, which is, I really love this maneuver. Look, rook a3, rook c3, rook c4, just to defend the g4 square, which is gonna be useful, you will see in the future. And yeah, just keep my pieces together. He goes here, and I decide to play b6 and develop my bishop. b5 I did not play because I was thinking knight to d4 and he's gonna attack my pawn. And I just didn't know how to exactly play this position. And after g6, 8 minutes of thought from my opponent, I take. He misses rook to g4. I play d4, bishop f4, bishop f3, king f3. You see the winning move, knight to e5, exchange. Oh, we cannot exchange because the bishop is pinned. King needs to move, and my opponent surrenders in this position because yes, after king to g2, knight takes g6. I'm a piece and they pawn up, I'm completely safe here, completely winning. So yes, guys, what could I tell you? Again, I was very greedy taking the pawn. I should have just exchanged my knight for the bishop and have amazing pair of bishops, but I did not do it. The game was nice. I liked the idea with f6 and controlling the center. I had very strong pawns in the middle. Guys, wish me luck. I have the last round today. Goodbye.